Here at the Elfinstone quarry to find the next gemstone of Vancouver Island. Elfinstone, which happens to be a green banded marble.
Yes, it is. It's fantastic material. Polishes spectacularly, and we're so happy to be able to work this material and have the pleasure of finding it. So.
Do you still have that pocket stone of yours you had there? Oh, it's already on the tailgate. Well, there we go. This is the green banded marble known as Elfinstone.
Forest Elfinstone.
Forest Elfinstone.
Because of the green.
Because, of course.
And this one here is Japanese garden.
Nice. I might need the other camera to get do this justice.
This is the other phase here we find. It's really nice material actually. So.
Nice looking stuff. Okay. Of course, this stuff doesn't look this nice coming out of the ground, but gives you an idea, polished up.
Yeah.
What it looks like. That's really gorgeous stone. And it's right there. Let's go see if we can find ourselves a bucket full.
That's the Japanese garden stone, that big piece there.
Oh yes.
And you can see the big chunk of the epidote quartz, just really nice swirly patterns.
Very cool. So this quarry isn't all your Elfinstone. There's only one little zone of this quarry that's producing it.
1.5 meter bed of it, yeah. We had an excavator in here to rework all this to get some big rocks out for us.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, actually, let's go down here.
Oh, I see it. Look at that. It's right there. Nice.
Yeah, that's a really good outcrop of it.
Look at this stuff. That is beautiful. Now it's looking like it's pretty solid in the bedrock here. We're gonna be able to get some. We're gonna be able to fill a bucket.
Two
buckets
at least.
each.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Oh, what was that? We can go up. We can get it up there. It's easier. But this is a pure high grade was right here with get the maroon layers and love the colors.
That is amazing. Honestly, I was just hammering myself. I had to grab the camera. I do work once in a while.
I am a witness to that. I'm a witness.
He did change the tire. It should come right out of there.
I'd say so. I think we can lift that up pretty nicely. Ugh, one-handed. There we go. That's a piece.
There you go.
Nice.
That's a killer piece.
Well done, Chris.
Hey, buddy, we did it.
Okay, now this will be the tell. We got some water. Oh, yeah, that is what I want right there. The fine grain stuff. Yes.
That's the best stuff.
We're going to get some hearts made of that.
Nice.
Wow. And that piece too?
A little guy. Yeah, why not? Get him.
Oh, look at that.
Here, I'll show you the
That's jewelry stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chris is making jewelry out of this?
Yeah.
I'm making hearts out of it.
Rings, pendants.
Have a watch.
Okay, we got... Oh, beautiful. Look at it. That is something
green
else.
It's gorgeous.
Yes. Some of it's almost nephrite green, I'm telling you. I just have a feeling.
You know what? You know what I think's really neat about this job?
What's that?
The occurrence is small.
Right.
It's not like a mountain. It's literally.
Yeah, this is 1.5 meter band.
Yeah.
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 Well, that's only a foot. The good stuff here is a foot, but you said there was more over there. Yeah.
It's good for 3 feet here.
Wow.
So the thing is, nephrite does form next to dolomite.
Yep.
In the right conditions, and this is basically it's a high magnesium calcite, which is dolomite.
Okay.
Essentially, I call it a marble, but this is we have a gabbro over here, or ultramafic in contact with a dolomite.
Perfect.
Yes, and we
ultramafic and a bit of calcium.
and we
That's
have
all you need.
And we do have actinolite in here, confirmed.
Nice.
Yeah.
Chris got a good piece.
Hey.
Really
Ooh,
nice.
Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. That's dry. It's not even that wet. I mean, it's a little wet, but.
Another one right above it. It's free. It's like just as big.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's beautiful. Stuff like that would be easy to get matched pairs for earrings.
Yep.
That would be awesome.
We are getting great stuff out of here. Now, Jack was saying the dolomite and the ultramafic working together could possibly form a jade or a nephrite in here, which is totally possible. But even as itself, the dolomite, like, Chris, where do you see banded dolomite?
Like this?
Like this?
You don't.
You don't.
You get like the natural, like white or grays, or maybe a solid color, but not banded. Like I've never seen that before.
Green banded dolomite.
Yep. 100%.
You cannot beat this stuff.
I love the color, and it takes a nice polish too.
Yeah, beautiful working.
I think Jack found a really, really nice deposit. And
Yeah,
it's
dolomite
small.
is fairly soft, so it's easy to work.
100%. Oh, this is great. It's coming apart like butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this stuff. It's great.
Amazing.
Good find, Jack.
We're getting so much great material. I got lots I can make hearts from. We're gonna definitely make some tumbling bags of Elfinstone, put on the website. Absolutely. I might do some spheres. I don't know. I don't have a quick way to get spheres done. This is my way of getting spheres done.
Takes a while.
But it takes a while. I can get hearts done really quick. Hey, nice view, Jack.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's what Krista says normally.
Look at that stuff. Wow. Those might be the 2 pieces I send away for hearts. Those are nice. Perfect size. This is gonna be amazing.
Look at that. Wow.
Amazing. Jack's got a good one coming.
Look at the face of this thing.
Oh, that is a rock, Jack.
Oh, it's coming out solid, guys.
It is a solid
Holy cow,
rock.
it does depth.
That is huge.
Oh, wow. That is
Jack,
unbelievable.
That's awesome.
That's unbelievable. That's what we come out here for.
Nice.
Okay, that's Jack's rock. Let's see if I can get one now. Not that I'm being greedy or anything.
No.
Oh.
Jeez. This is fantastic.
Okay, we just spent the last hour working on one rock. That guy right there, because it's beautiful. And we just got it free.
Oh, look at that.
Baby.
It doesn't get any better than that.
That is awesome. I'm gonna slab that one up.
That's nice, Dan.
Oh, backside. Yep, every bit is good.
Nice.
Other than chips, I think that's it for this site. And just like the other sites, my one bucket ended up being 2. Let's take those back to the good camera and show you some close-ups of what this stuff really looks like. Okay, let's get a close-up of this. Oh, baby. Forest Elfinstone, a form of banded dolomite. Amazing.